ago, thank God. But yeah, I'm on some sick back roads, and it's kind of raining a little bit, so I figured it'd be pretty sick, you know, to record a video for you guys. Let me give you guys a little bit of a backstory. I recently moved, so I used to live in an apartment, if you guys don't know, and now I moved into a house, which is super sick. Because I did move, I have to drive, you know, a little bit further, and I have to take like a different route. So mainly at my old place, I had to drive through the city, but now I just take straight back roads to get home, and it's honestly pretty sick. And what better car to do it in than the Z? So I'm just gonna shred some back roads, get home. Sick little Porsche right there. Damn, GT3. Must be nice. Coming up on a roundabout, hit some nice little downshifts. Try to beat these people. I gotta be super careful though, because as you guys know, Z's are rear wheel drive and they like to slide around a lot, so my interior is getting wet, but I'll clean the car later. That's good enough. Fuck. Maserati, very nice. Nice little Miata. But right now we're on some like legit back roads. We're in like a kind of the countryside, near like suburbs area, kind of like country. And yeah, these are all like one-way roads, and they're pretty sick. I'm just trying to give myself a little bit of space so I can shred these, because I love this section right here coming up. I'll put my windows down all the way, see if that makes a little bit of a difference. So yeah, we're out here. We're in the, you know, the farm area. You got like horses and goats and stuff. But it's chill. Weather's perfect too, guys. It's like, I'd say it's 70 degrees, so it's absolutely perfect for a drive. Let's ease into it. Usually I take these in third gear, but the roads are a little, you know, slick, so we'll be cautious. Oh my god. Oh, that scared me. Oh my god. Literally that corner, like I just told you guys, you gotta be so careful. I literally, the Z almost fucking spun out right there. That was sketchy as hell. I did not want that to happen. If I had traction control off, I probably would have spun out right there. That was not intentional. Scared the hell out of me. So for those of you that are new to my videos and haven't really like watched anything, basically I just drive around and do like POV drives in my Z. But besides that, I do like vlogs and car reviews. I do a little bit of everything, and I feature a lot of like my friends' cars on the channel, so it's cool. I'm definitely wanting to focus more on my personal car and my build, because I do have goals for this car, and I definitely want to see that I meet those goals. Eventually I want to turn the Z into a track car. That's like the dream. It is a 2005, it's an anniversary edition, so it came with a rev up. And I bought it from the original owner, so it's literally, the car is bone stock, guys. We just made it to a pretty sick part of the drive. I just got to be cautious, because after those little back roads, what happened? Oh, that scared me. I did not see that coming. I got so lucky. I'd like to go just a little bit faster. I don't want to be like a fucking douchebag and cut off somebody, but sometimes you just have to cut people off, bro. Like, they just don't give you a choice. The windows down. So where we are right now, we're on on some roads. Pretty much they're like low-key. There's a lot of like land out here that's undeveloped yet. Right now they are building houses where they're supposed to be, but just with like all the lack of materials and stuff, there's like nothing out here, which is sick for me, you know. What I normally do is I go straight and then I kind of make it to my place faster, but since I'm recording, I'll go ahead and take the long way. It's actually pretty dope. I just need to try to like beat the traffic. All right, cool. So this window's down, so water's getting all on my door. But this window's up and water's still getting on my door. So I think I have bad seals. See how good the car wants to slide. I'm gonna hit this little turn here. Oh God, there's like so much water. I gotta wipe all that. Love that. That was a fail. Do I have traction off? Yeah, I have traction off. What the fuck? Maybe I didn't gas it hard enough. Damn, there's like hella people taking this way now. Let's try that again. I kind of want it kicks out. We did it a little bit. I'll take it, you know. Before this way it was like cut off. It was never connected, and they finally finished construction over here, and now this back road is connected, and there's just so many like people that use this way now. I really wanted to like warm up, do like a little turn, and then maybe hit some like donuts and some figure eights, but spot is just too toast now, dude. There's too much cars. And the last thing I need is to run into a specific kind of vehicle that I do not want to run into. So, we almost spun out today. We hit a little J-turn. Let me not, like, push my luck. And it sucks, because, like, bro, they put these stupid stop signs here for no reason. Like, why do I gotta stop, dude? Like, that's retarded. Just gotta make sure I don't hydroplane, bro. Because these roads are freshly paved, so literally it's like walking on ice right now. And to be fair, my tires do not have that much tread life. Not because I burned through them, but I got my wheels and tires in a trade from my friend, and before, let's just say before he, you know, ended up trading me these wheels and tires that I'm on right now, he got a little bit sideways in them. So I tried to like advise him not to. I'm like, yo bro, like don't do burnouts in them, like the traction's gonna wear out, but he didn't want to listen to me, so he kind of burnt through them. Sucks, but it is what it is. Yeah guys, I'm probably gonna end the video here, but if you made it this far, I just want to say thank you so much for all of your support. Drop a comment down below and just let me know what type of content you want to see from me. And yeah guys, be sure to leave a like on the video if you already haven't. Subscribe as well. With all that said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.